Hello, we will explain about the relationship between self-regulation and online game addiction tendency in college students. The study aims to investigate the relationship between self-regulation with a tendency to addiction to online games in faculty student information technology. The number of samples were 95 people. Methods of data collection in the form of online game addiction variable game addiction scale, which was adopted from the theory of Griff and Davis 2004, which described the dependence on online games on students based on the SM4 criteria by developing 7 aspects including salience, tolerance, mood modification, relapse, withdrawal symptom, conflict, and problem. At this time, technological advances are developing very rapidly, as is the case with communication media and electronic media, which are increasingly experiencing very rapid development. One that is developing at this time is the internet network. A person's interest in the internet depends a lot on the interest and personality of each individual, such as interest in online games.
Online games are games where many people can play at the same time via online communication network. The phenomenon where someone plays online game excessively which can cause bad effects, grief. In addition, this online game addiction can result in a person becoming more aggressive, having trouble sleeping, stress or anxiety if they don't play the game, loneliness, and reduce social relationship with the surrounding environment. This research uses quantitative method with data collection technique in the form a questionnaire or questionnaire. This research uses quantitative analysis research method with sampling technique, namely non-probability sampling and using purposive sampling technique. The research subjects were taken from the student population of the 2015 Faculty of Information Technology Department, totaling 95 students. This result showed the relationship between self-regulation and the tendency of online game addiction in students. There are two tables: descriptive self-regulation analysis and online game addiction trend. The category is very low, low, high, and very high. Based on the result of this study, there is a negative relationship between self-regulation and the tendency of online game addiction, which means that the higher the self-regulation, the lower the tendency for online game addiction to be owned by students. Conversely, the lower the self-regulation, the higher the tendency for online game addiction to be owned by students. Self-confidence, personality type, and so on. Thank you for watching and see you later.